You're gonna pull it off in one pull, dude.
The next day.
Meow. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I always feel like I'm wearing this hoodie when I'm working on the car. Trust me, I shower and I change. It's kind of the only hoodie that fits me. So yeah, we're cutting into the passenger side now today. So we're just gonna get into it, honestly. So we're gonna see how much I'm gonna measure from that side that I already cut, and then we're gonna go over here, and we need to get into this door jam. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw you guys up on a time lapse so you guys can see, and then we'll just, like we did last time, we're just gonna keep it on the way. Why you can't answer me? Can you break bread? Can you break bread with me? Oh. Wait. Trash. We ain't gonna need those. Alright, my knees are hurting. Marking it. So that way we know it's even on the other side too. It's so difficult with one hand. Where you at, Kel? Time to start cutting. Alright, we're almost there. I don't want to bore you guys with the time lapse. Flip it work, flip it dirt. Little dance break, you know what I'm saying? Nah, but we're right here, so we basically did what we did on the other side. We just went down and down until we could do it. There was more fiberglass on this side of the door jam, but it is what it is. But that's where it's at. I'm gonna see. I need to get into this right here, 100%. I can't see with all this shit in the way. So we're gonna somehow get all of this off, and then we're gonna go up. Yeah. Made some good progress. Second cut. I think I was recording, but we took this off. It's probably hot still. This. So it was like right here. Right there. And it was just cutting into my tire, so it's gone now. Alright, I'm just gonna get straight into it today. We gotta start removing this trim piece right here. Honestly, I YouTubed it. Yeah, kind of funny because, you know, I'm trying to sit here and show you guys. I have too many things in my hand, hold on. And that we're just gonna send it. And we're gonna try and pull it off as best as we can. Good, it's good. You guys hear that? Damn. So I'm just gonna throw you guys up on the GoPro. I'm gonna put my headphones in, we're gonna get to work. Just putting on the GoPro for insurance purposes. In case I break anything, because I probably will. So let's just, yeah, we're just gonna go to the GoPro. You guys hear that Lamborghini? Sheesh. Just pop some jams, some sad tunes. Again. Ow. Sheesh. This is the thing that bugs me. Overspray from the last painter. I broke some of the clips, unfortunately, but they're old, so what do you expect? This is the one I'm scared of. I just found some screws right here, so I'm gonna take a couple out and then we're gonna see if that helps. Oh, it does. Did you look at that? Don't lose these, Ozzy. We're gonna go and put all those screws back so I don't lose them. So we'll be back. See what I mean, guys? Like all this like dude overspray. Oh, this one's kind of hard. It's in there. Yo, no cap. This emission. Oh, shit. See? And this windshield's gotta go too. It's good. Just because I'm gonna start this side and then work our way over. Oh, I'm already tired. All right, I'm gonna give this like another rundown because I don't know if you guys heard me on the GoPro or not too well, but I broke some of these clips in here, but like, oh well. What do I expect? It's a 20-year-old car at this point. I don't know. See this trim right here? This is for the back piece. See how there's like overspray? To me, I just want to like the OEM look. I think that'll look better, but if I can get this stupid overspray off, I will. If you guys know any chemicals that will help me do that, let me know in the comment section. Same thing with this one. And this piece is mint. Like, but I'm so like I need the light. I'm so OCD about things that it's just little stuff like that that bugs me. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's circled on the screen. But there's little overspray all over that trim. So either we fix it, which is the main thing I want to do right now, get the paint off, and then 2, we just buy a new one. So next we're gonna take apart this to match that over there, so we can just get to it on this side completely. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. I'm just gonna take us back up on the GoPro, possibly a time lapse on this one. So yeah, we'll just get back to it. Alright, this is the only thing. This was broken already, so I didn't really break anything. Now we should, oh, I just realized I should have left the door, I should have lowered the window first, because I need to get in here to get this door handle out. So, yeah. I didn't show you guys on this side, but this side was kind of annoying. and I closed the door and I figured out how to open it. So if that happens again, I'll show you guys on the video, so that way if you guys do it at home. So I think I'm just gonna work on doing that right now, and then we can get to sanding this door. This is coming off, 100%. This is coming off. So yeah, and then we'll have this whole side pretty much ready to start sanding, besides like this plastic piece and like some other miscellaneous stuff, but we're getting there. Alright, so if you're gonna be taking the door handles, there we go. There's these 10 mil bolts in here. Let me put the light in there so you guys can see that. You guys see that one right there? It's circled up on the screen. The other one's somewhere in there tucked away. You just gotta find it. So I don't know if it'll pop up on the camera, but it's somewhere over there. Honestly, the other side, the front door to the driver's side was much easier. Personally, I think looks much easier to do. So once I find that other second bolt on this one, because I see the first one, so we'll see what happens, but we'll get it. All right, so we got this off just because it's a little old. I see this already came out, but whatever. Oh, I can just pull it out like that. I was gonna show you guys what I did with that one, I should say like that one. I sprayed a little WD-40 gel in it and let it soak for a little, and then I was able to just slide it out. Only issue I ran into was this one takes, I don't know why I took 3 out, even though there's only 2, but the other one was tucked up here. If you remove this little grommet right here, you're able to reach it. I don't know why I didn't look hard enough, so now I gotta find that other one, but I don't know where. Oh, it was right here. That other one was right in there. You can't see. Let me grab the flashlight, but yeah, this is stuff off. But let me show you guys where I lost that other one. It's gotta be somewhere down there. See that right there? No, of course you can't, cause there, it's circled on the screen, but so I lost that one. I shake the door and I don't hear it, so that's just this bracket, but we'll find it. We'll get it out. Alright, to remove this trim that's right here, just pop this little clip out. I'm not popping mine all the way out. Again, I dropped it, so I think we're gonna end up removing this door and just shaking it. Otherwise, it's gonna bug me knowing that stuff's in there. But you pop this little clip out from right here, and then right here will be 1 screw. The backs, I guess, have 2. The fronts only had 1. But you see that one right there, circled on the screen? Same thing, pop that clip out. But yeah, we're done with this. Now we can just get to sanding, so we can get this done. Alright, so we got everything. Majority of the stuff that I wanted to get off, we got it off. I'm just gonna start sanding now. I'm not gonna time lapse it just because it'd be a very, very long clip. So we're just gonna see what we can get done in like an hour, and then we'll call it a night. So we'll just show you guys what we finished up for today. All right, this is what we got done. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna go briefly quick. Just up here, started a little bit right here. We all do have to go over some spots. Like I went right here a little bit rougher with some rougher grit, so that way I'd get that little like paint chip that was coming off. So, but yeah, and then I think we're gonna start this tomorrow, taking this off, and then we'll have this whole side ready. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you tomorrow. Buenas noches.
The next day.
Alright, I don't know if you guys saw, but I used this. Here's the pry bar. And it just came off. So now we're gonna hit it with some 80 grit. see how much we can get off of there, and then we should be golden. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sand that. You guys already know sanding process, so just gonna hit it with the 80, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see it.